Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save money with Upwork, complete guide step by step clearly. To save money on Upwork, start by defining your project clearly. Identify the specific skills you need for your project. Create a detailed job description outlining responsibilities, deadlines, and any required qualifications. Set a realistic budget based on your project needs. Use Upwork's search filters to find freelancers that fit your budget. Review freelancer profiles and portfolios carefully. Pay attention to their work history and client feedback scores. Shortlist candidates who meet your requirements and have competitive rates. Initiate conversations with potential freelancers to gauge their responsiveness. Ask for examples of similar work they've completed in the past. Discuss timelines and availability to ensure they can meet your deadlines. Negotiate rates, but be respectful of their expertise and experience. Consider hiring hourly freelancers for smaller tasks to minimize upfront costs. Once you choose a freelancer, create a contract that outlines payment terms and deliverables. Use Upwork's milestone feature to break down larger projects into manageable payments. This approach encourages timely delivery while protecting your investment. Communicate effectively throughout the project to avoid misunderstandings. Request regular updates to monitor progress and provide feedback. After project completion, pay only for work that meets your expectations. If needed, consider leaving a review based on your experience to help others. By following these steps, you can effectively save money while using Upwork. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.